Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install Android Studio on Windows 11 PC. Android Studio used for develop Android apps for Android smartphones. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to install Android Studio on Windows 11 PC. So I will open my browser and search Android Studio and then hit enter. This is the official website of Android Studio. So I entered this website. This is the Android Studio download page. So I click on download Android Studio Market. So it show me the Android Studio license agreement. So I scroll down and then I have read and agreed with above terms and condition. I click on it and then download Android Studio Market patch for Windows. So download is starting. So Android Studio download is completed. So I minimize my browser and I double click on Android Studio setup file. So computer asks me install this software. So I click on yes. And now I click on next button, click on next and click on install. So my installation is completed. I click on next button and click on finish button. After click on finish button, software will be launched on Windows. So I click on don't send button. I click on next and click on next button. And then I click on I accept and click on finish button. So Android Studio will download some components for run on Windows 11. It will installing Android emulator 3.5.4.9 version. Android emulator installation has been completed. That was my video. In this video, I will show you how to install Android Studio on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.